What do you want to do? You want to go for a walkie? That's it. So the maintenance guy came over with his bolt cutters. I got more than I had bargained for. Hello everybody, I'm Barry, this is my dog Beans, and we're on an excellent adventure around the United States. This week we're heading to General Coffee to see what the buzz is all about. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so we just dumped tanks at Edisto State Park. I'm walking back to get my bike, bring it over to the dump area and load it. Hopefully everything's gonna go okay. Hopefully no one is like waiting on me to move out of the way. I tried to be as out of the way as possible. And there are 2 lanes, so, and it doesn't seem to be all that busy right now. So we should be okay. All right, so it went up successfully. No issues really. I didn't even stall it, which is awesome. I am pretty low to the ground right now, which is very helpful. So I'm gonna try and do that in the future too. But I'm just gonna get it all strapped down and hit the road. We should be on the road by 11, which is my goal for the day. So, good. Back at King's Farm, I gotta get more of those cookies. I got more than I had bargained for. I was just gonna get the cookies, but then I got a bunch of other stuff too. All right, we're at Walmart. We're finally done at Walmart. It took way too long to check out. We have like an hour and a half until we're at General Coffee, and it's raining. Okay, we're here. It looks like we can take the bike off while we're set up, which is cool. Got the bike down with no issue. Now let's check out these bathrooms. There's some laundry and a dishwashing sink. Oh, it's a laundry tub, never mind. Wait, I guess the bathrooms are closed. Why? Never mind, the door was just stuck. Okay. Urinal. Some stalls. Another stall. A shower. Okay, that works. So I guess there's only one working shower. That one's out of order. Interesting. Putting my heavy jackets away because check out this weather outlook for the week. I have the air conditioning running right now. Beans and I just got back from Milwaukee this morning at General Coffee State Park. Found a nature trail that I'm gonna run on later today. It's a little short, but we'll see. We'll make it work. The dog is shaking the entire RV by panting. Anyway, we got in after the visitor center closed last night. So I have to go up to the office before 10 this morning and check in. And it's 2 miles away, so I'm gonna have to ride my bike up there. So I'm gonna eat some breakfast and then go do that. And maybe learn something about General Coffee State Park while I'm up there. Tons of information. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna carry it all back. It's a beautiful day today. Beans and I are just walking, enjoying the day. I'm gonna go for a run after this and then enjoy the beautiful day, I suppose. I booked 2 campgrounds today, which I'm really excited about. So filling in the calendar, which is nice. So I got this RV map of all the places that you've been to for Christmas, and I'm just now getting around to it. I just added South Carolina because that's where we just were. We were just in Edisto. And now at General Coffee, I'm adding Georgia. And with this trip, I don't know if you've seen the map, you probably have in the beginning of my videos. We're gonna be hitting up Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Texas, New Mexico, Arizona, Nevada, Oregon, Washington, Montana, missing North Dakota, doing South Dakota. Well, maybe I will plan something in North Dakota. South Dakota, Minnesota, we're gonna hit up Wisconsin again. Of course, we gotta do the UP. And I just booked a spot in New York. So my plan is to get all of these states in as well. And most of the map is gonna be filled in. We're gonna be missing Oklahoma, California, Nebraska, and potentially North Dakota. And then obviously these for now. But Alaska is on my bucket list, so you gotta stay tuned for that. And then maybe we'll do some camping in Maryland. Who knows? I don't know. But yeah, I'd like to fill in the upper half or the upper northeast of the country. That's the plan for this fall. So stay tuned for that. So tonight for dinner, I'm making peach glazed chicken breast and some roasted pecan, goat cheese, sweet potatoes. But I'm also gonna throw a white potato in there because I have it. So what I did was I chopped up some sweet potato and roasted it in the air fryer. And then I seasoned some chicken and put a little bit of the glaze on there. And then I put that in the Instant Pot as well and let that roast for a little bit, then calling it dinner. All right, let's give this peach glazed chicken a try. That's pretty good. I mean, chicken breast sucks, but most of it's juicy. And the glaze is really good. Now let's try the sweet potatoes and goat cheese and pecans. That might be one of my favorite things. The tanginess of the goat cheese and the sweetness of the sweet potatoes. This is fire. Thanks, ChatGPT. So my phone charger for my motorcycle came in today. It's at the CVS store about 15 minutes away. So I'm going to get ready and go pick that up. Well, I'm having a pretty productive day. Got that mounted up. And then on the way here, I went to Tractor Supply and picked up these like brackets that I kind of figured I could use to mount my windscreen on my motorcycle. They're not perfect. However, I just asked the maintenance people if they have bolt cutters, and I could use those to make them perfect. I mean, the windshield is mounted right now and everything's fine, but it could be better. And I just started some laundry. So yeah, really productive day. It's a little warm though. I'm gonna turn the air conditioning on, I think. So the maintenance guy came over with his bolt cutters and helped me trim these little mounting brackets. So looks a lot better now. This was long overdue. I think someone wants to do something. What do you want to do? You want to go for a walkie? That's it. All right, that's enough fun for one episode. If you made it this far, I really appreciate you sticking around, and subscribe so you can see where we head next. Leave a comment wherever you see fit. Like this video if you actually liked it, and until next time, stay excellent.